Hey, Steve Zanardi here at Treviso Realty. Some exciting news. We're actually clearly one of the companies that we're creating out here in Southwest Florida as a development company, and we've actually sent some ideas out to the drafter to kind of get some plans going. So let's have a look at what we came up with. There's two different designs. Let me know what you think too. We're going to name this the Gaddy because Mikey did the actual design of the layout of the floor plan rather. So have a look at this, what we're going to create. This is 2,100 square feet. If you kind of we'll walk you guys through it. There's obviously a door missing here. They're going to figure that obviously they got to put it in. It's just an error here. But walk through the entry. You got a nice foyer, a closet out here, grand living room. We want to do those zero corner doors for sure. I think this is a huge feature. I love them. I'm so fixed with these kind of roll away doors, especially a zero corner. So I definitely want to add that as our signature, copy polte, I guess. And then if you come in, you got a nice kitchen area here. There's one. This is the pantry, but we've done a separate, or Mikey did a separate layout. Eliminates the pantry, kind of gives us more kitchen. I'll show you that quickly. That's pretty much it. It's a 3-bedroom, this one's a 2-bath layout, and the next model is going to be a 3-bathroom. So let's have a look. So that's kind of the exterior, very coastal. We're going to do some more flair here to make it look more pretty. But this is nice. Like even this area here will be probably about 12 to 14 feet high when you get in here, which is nice. And that's it. Let's have a look at the next one here. This is Mikey's drawing now. So if you kind of get in, foyer, again, family room, kitchen area. See there's like a little elbow here rather than the pantry. So it's just like an L shape to give us more countertop space because the other one was cut off here, which kind of limits the countertop. And then nice. I like this all tucked away. You got our laundry room and garage, like separate area where it's out of the way. You don't want to have this part of the house. You want it away from everything. Little closet here, linen closet, entrance to the primary bedroom, and then ultimately to the master ensuite here with the walk-in closet, the water closet here. And then what we added different to this model is that the second bedroom has a private bath. And then what we did back here is that this third bathroom kind of dubs as a bathroom for this third bedroom, the main floor and its guests, and also the pool bath because you see like an entrance to the rear. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So exciting. We're obviously in process now. We're going to get it's preliminary drawings. Once we get it finalized, we're going to send it out for structural, get the engineering for the roof trusses, and then we're going to start bidding, getting to bid out on pricing with other trades to see what we can come up with. Or we might actually partner up with a builder that'll take on the build process. We put up the money, we put up the plan, they put up the building with their trades, and then we have an agreement with the profits at the end. So we're going to basically kind of work out what's better for us. Is it worth our time to take it on and then deal with the day-to-day, or is it better just to partner up? Still under Treviso Realty, obviously, or Treviso Homes LLC rather, but ultimately have a partner with the build section of it. But we'll see. We'll work it out. That's pretty much it, guys. Have a great day.